what's up? I'm Manshu. Welcome back to my YouTube channel Learn and Crack Ethical Hacking. So in this video we are going to talk about first Python data structure called Python list. So firstly I will shortly tell you what Python lists are. Python lists are used to store multiple items in a single variable. Lists are one of 4 built-in data types in Python used to store collection of data. The other 3 except in list are tuple, set and dictionary, all with different qualities and different uses. In further videos we will talk about them. So let us understand Python list with example. So suppose I need to store or create a list of students in class, in any class, and for to store each value in coding or in Python language we have to create variable. So for each name variable we will have to create different variable for each name, but don't have the requirement to do it. That's why we have Python first data structure called Python list. So let us understand it with Python IDE. Any Python IDE or Python console you can use. So let us start. Suppose I create a variable named class first, and class first equals to first student name, suppose Aman, and second student name, suppose Suresh, and third student name, suppose Ram, and fourth student name, suppose Rakesh. We have, we need to close the square bracket. I need to close it. So we have created our first variable name class first. So we have created the list of students in a class. As an example, I had taken it the student of full name, but really it is a list in Python. So suppose next thing is we can do with Python list is we can extract the names from a Python list. Just see how. Type class first variable name, put on square bracket and the index number of the word or any item that you want to extract. Just see how. You know that, just note it down first. Index start from 0 in Python IDE. In any Python language or in any language, always index start from 0. So to just tell me, if I want to extract the name of Aman, so what number I need to type? Just tell. So if you have written in the comment box, then it's okay. But now, as I had told you, index start from 0, then the Aman count will be 0. So if I type it, we will get Aman. In the same way, if we type 1, we will get Suresh. If we type 2, we will get Ram. If we type 3, we will get Rakesh. So in this way we can extract the item from our list. But now I know you will have one question surely. What happens or what code I need to type if I want to extract the couple of words or couple of items in our Python list? Suppose I want to extract the name of Aman, Suresh and Ram together. Then I need to type the code class first variable name and square bracket and 0 2 colon denotes 2. Just type colon 0 2 3. I want till Ram, then I need to type 3 and we get Aman, Suresh and Ram together. So this is the way you can extract couple of words. But before going to forward, I need to tell you one thing. You can use in any Python IDE, you can use arrow keys to type the codes that you have written previously. Note down, it is also important for us. It makes us really helpful to type the codes faster as compared to type them again and again. Suppose here I had typed class first again, just I had changed the digit. So no need to type every time, just use your up and down arrow keys. Type your up and down arrow keys, you will see that the codes that you have written already are showing in front of you. So let us go forward. So now the thing is, suppose a new student got admission in our class, then we need to add the name of student in our class. It is the rule of the school, and we need to add. get it permitted in our school, that's why I need to type the name of that student in our school. Suppose the name of the student is Aditya. So the main aim is to give this example is to understand you how to add any list in your, how to add any item in your list. To add, note it down, note this thing down. To add any item in your list, we always use append function. What is the syntax? Just see. First variable name, class first, dot append, and parenthesis. For string we always use apostrophes. Suppose new student is Aditya, and would close apostrophes and close parenthesis. Hit enter. Now if you type class first, you will see Aditya is added in our list. So this is the way you can use append function to add any students in our item list. But now if I want to delete any student, suppose one student has left off the school, and suppose Aman has left off the school, then what will be the code or syntax to remove any item from your list? It's very simple. Just type variable name and put square bracket and type the index number of the student or any item that you want to remove. So here the index number of Aman is 0 and space equals to the name of student that you want to add. Suppose new student is Shita, and if I type class first here, we will see that Aman, instead of Aman we get Sita, because we have deleted or replaced Aman instead of Sita. So we can replace by just using a simple, it's very simple syntax. Class first, its variable name, in class first, in our item list, whose index number is 0, replacing that, type this string. It's very simple. Now how can we delete any? Suppose I want to permanently delete the name of any item in our list. For that we have to simply type del name of our variable class first and simply put square bracket and write the index number of that item that you want to remove. So I want to remove 0, and if I type class first now again, then we will not get Aman. We have deleted Aman here. So now if I talk to you about one more thing, is that you can also multiply the list in your Python IDE. Just see, it's very simple. Class first asterisk. One more thing, note it down. Asterisk, we never use X symbol in your keyboard to multiply any number, numeric, string, any variable. We never use X button in your keyboard. Always use asterisk, which is present in your dial pad, in your computer or in your keyboard. So asterisk, the name of the symbol, note it down. The name of the symbol is asterisk, and the number of time you want to multiply. Suppose I want to multiply number of time 2. As you can see, it simply got multiplied and typed 2 times. Now you can, suppose I create a num list. Num equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, and if I type num, you will get 4 numbers. So one more thing you can do with Python IDE, you can get maximum and minimum number value in your Python list. Max, to get maximum num, you need to type max and your variable name, max num. You will get 4. 4 is the maximum value in our Python num list. So for the minimum, we need to type min. Simply type min and you will get num function by typing min, and you will get 1. 1 is the lowest value in our list. So this is the way you can do with Python list in your. One more last thing I want to tell you is len function, the length of item. Suppose I want to check the number of item in our list. Simply type len parenthesis and name of your variable. Suppose I want to check the name of len class first. As you can see, in our class first variable we have 4 students named Aman, Suresh, Ram, Rakesh. So there are 4. And also if I check from num list, len num, as you can see here are also 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is how you can check the length of your Python list. So this is all about how you can use the Python list in different forms. You can add any student, you can replace any student, you can delete any student, you can know the maximum value, minimum value of any numeric item in our list, you can know the length of the list, item list, and different function. We have more in deep. If you want deep video or length video, I will create it also, but it is not possible as soon as possible, but soon we will create a lengthy video on it where we will talk about Python list very deeply with a very clear concept. So here it is all about Python list. In next video we will talk about tuple, set and dictionary and more about it. So this is all about Python list. Hope you guys understand it. Just note it, make a separate notebook to create it note, or you can use any shortcut way to just note it down. It is the main thing is to just understand the concept. So thanks guys for watching this video. Hope you guys like this. Please like this video, share it and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for